Hi there, welcome back. My name is Laurel with the Curated Caravan. It has been a while and I just got back from, well, I didn't get back, I'm still on the road. Just had to do a little Starbucks stop on my way home. I just on a whim decided to go check out one of my favorite stores. It's about 20 to 30 minutes, probably 30 minutes away from my house. 99% of the time I find great stuff there. And today happened to be just a flash 50% off all the clothing sale. So I really did great. I got 2 garbage bags full of clothes and spent $30. So I'm sure it's my last shopping trip of the year. But it was a good one. There was some old guy must have donated all of his really great clothes because I got a cashmere overcoat, 100% cashmere vintage, 2 Yves Saint Laurent suit jackets, and then just some other great stuff. So I will be showing you shortly. Anyway, I haven't taken time off shopping. I've still been doing plenty of shopping, but I haven't been doing any filming. So I am back, and hopefully we will get back into the swing of things in the new year. So let's get on with the haul. Okay, so it's been a couple of days. I did a little bit of research on the things that I picked up the other day, and some I was pleasantly surprised, and others I was like, that's kind of disappointing. I thought I'd make a little more money on that item, but let's take a look and see what you think. So let's start off. Okay, this one I actually forgot to photograph, and this is one of those where I thought it was going to be worth a little bit more than it actually is worth. It is a short sleeve sweater from the brand Wrap, London. And while some of their items are worth a decent amount of money, I don't think this one is going to be worth much. Probably $20 at the most, just because it's just not super on trend. I wasn't sure, but I thought that brand was actually better than it actually is. It's an okay brand, but I don't know that I would have picked it up if I would have really looked at comps. So that's a not so great one. Now this one is ended up being great. This is a Denim & Supply vintage puffer vest in a medium, and it is down and feather filled. So these go for really decent money. What were the comps? Comps were between $40 and $80, and that was sold comps. So that one will be a great return for my money. I think I paid about $2 to $3 for this one. So everything was half price, which was a nice surprise for me when I showed up at the thrift store. So everything was half price, and I didn't pick up that much, but I think that what I did get was decent. I ended up getting 2 garbage bags full of clothes, and it cost me a total of $30. So everything that you'll see today was a total of $30. I kind of iffy on what I can remember what I paid for each item, but so I'll give you a rough estimate of what they went for. Next up is a pair of Athleta sweatpants. These are probably an older pant, I think they are, but they have a nice wide leg with zippers at the ankles and zip pockets. So these are a pair, if they weren't talls, I think they're a medium tall. If they were talls, I would keep them for myself because they're really cute and really comfy for this time of year especially. The comps were, I forgot to look up comps for these, but I'm thinking about $20 probably for those. And I paid $1.50. So because they were, all of the soft pants are $2.99 and it's I think $3.99 for jeans. So, and it was half price off of that, so great. Another pair of pants that I picked up were these men's Royal Robbins pants. They are convertible. You can zip them off for shorts, and they've got zippers at the hem, so a good hiking and camping pant. Probably will be a slower sell because it's probably not going to sell until we're getting closer to summertime. And the comps on these not that great. The sold were about 15 to 25. So I thought they were maybe a little bit better for Royal Robbins, but not the greatest. And the stitching on the back pocket is coming loose. So these I'm not real hopeful about. But wait, there's good stuff coming up. Just the good stuff is not here at the beginning. Okay, these, another not so great pickup. These are a pair of men's Eddie Bauer pants. They're a green camo. Their first ascent is the style. And these, the sold comps were up from $25 to $30. So, but like I said, I paid $1.50 for these. So that return is great, actually. I should not be disappointed with those. Next is the last pair of pants that I got, another pair of men's pants. They're AG, the graduate pants, and they go for about $25 to $40. There's jeans, and then there's these colored denim pants. I think these will sell better than the others. They're in really good condition, but anyway, expecting about $20 probably for these. 25, something like that. Okay, and next up was another one that was not so great. The brand is Haven Well Within, I think. Well Within. It is a cotton sweater in like a taupey color with a turtleneck or a mock neck. And the ones that are in like the cashmere sweaters, those sell for really well. This one sells for about $20. So I paid, what, $3.99, probably $2 for this one. Probably wouldn't have picked it up if I would have checked comps really well before I went. I'm saving still the good stuff for last, so don't worry. There is good stuff in this haul. Next up is a soft surroundings top. I thought it was cute. It was different. It's got a floral back and then the plaid front. There's a lot of these on the market, so and the comps were kind of all over the place. They were from $18 to $65. Some of the sold comps were $65. So, you know, you get the right buyer and you will do well. So we'll see. Hopefully I can attract the right buyer with this top. And I paid probably $1.50 for that. Got a lot of bulky stuff, so I'll be happy to see these gone. They just take up so much room. This dress is really pretty. I'll put up the comp, or not the comp, but I'll put up the photo that I found for it. It's really cute on the model. The brand is called Rachel Parcell. Rachel Parcell. So the retail for this dress is $168. So I'm thinking probably $40, $50 for this one. It's in excellent condition, no fade. Doesn't look like it's been worn much at all. So I thought it was a great pickup for a brand that I do not know. Next, another dress that I picked up was another fantastic brand, and the retail on this I'm sure was multi-hundred. It's Lafayette 148. The problem is with this brand is the resale value is not the greatest, but what's nice is the size 16. So size 16 is a plus for this dress. It's sleeveless, it's got buttons down the back, and it's a really nice, just a basic black dress. What did I find out about it? I didn't find much of anything about it because I did not find the style that was just like it, but similar dresses sold from anywhere from $40 and some were selling for over $200. So, you know, it's hard to say with this one. I'd be happy with 50. I paid $2, so I would definitely be happy even just making 50 on it. That would be fantastic. Another one of the dresses that I found was from All Saints. I used to be thrilled to find All Saints, and now it seems like it sits. But there's the tag, All Saints. And it is the Suki dress, and it is a sweater dress, long sleeve. It's got a nice wide neckline that is really cute, and the hem is asymmetrical, longer on one side. It retailed for $265 and sold are from $60 to $125. So a great pickup, even if I can get it sold. That's the problem with All Saints, is a lot of times, even though they're a great retail, it can take a while to sell them. So I picked up two from Beholden, which is the Anthropologie bridal line. One is new with tags and one looks like it was, they probably bought both of them and wore the one, you know, that they chose. So the first one here is like a chocolate, it's a really warm chocolate brown. And this is the one that they must have worn, but it is a really pretty maxi dress, plunge neckline. This one actually they had sewn it up halfway, the plunge, but I was able to just rip out their little tags or their little seams, and it didn't leave anything behind. These dresses sold for $248, which they're still for sale on the Beholden website, but the sold are between $100 and $200. So there is the tag. And like I said, I've got this one in chocolate brown and the other one is new with tags. So I'll probably, I would think I would be able to get more money for this one because it is new with tags. And it is kind of like an, I don't even know how to describe this color. It's like a warm rust, but not too orangey. It's kind of a pinky orange rust, maybe like a cinnamon. I'm gonna call it cinnamon. Yeah, that'll do. And because I couldn't find the color, the chocolate one was on the site, but this color I did not find. I don't know if it's discontinued now, but again, it's in brand new tags. I'm expecting like $100 for that one. Okay, now we have like 4 pieces left that are all men's pieces. I'm thinking these were probably from the same donator. They're all really nice, and a couple of them are vintage. I'm not sure if these are vintage or not. The first 2 I'm going to show you are 2 suit blazers from Yves Saint Laurent. There is the tag. I'm thinking these are all vintage. This one doesn't seem as vintage as the other one, but still I would say so. This one is a blue, like a blue gray with a small little pinstriping in it. In excellent condition, and comps on these go for about $50 to $200. So I'm hoping that I can get about 50 for these. The other one is, this one is actually even nicer than that one. This one is a black pinstripe men's blazer, and I'll show you the label on this one. There is the label, the Yves Saint Laurent. That doesn't really look like a vintage label to me, but I haven't totally researched these. And you can see the lining's got all the branding on it. Really awesome jacket. It's 100% wool also. So 2 really great men's blazers, which blazers on and off for me. Sometimes they sell pretty quickly, and I've got a couple. I've got a Gucci jacket I think that I still have for sale that is just not selling. Okay, next up I've got 2 items left. So this one is super bulky, so I hope it sells really quickly because I do not want to store this for very long. It is in really good condition. It's a men's very heavy trench coat from Clipper Mist, which is a London Fog line. It does have a name written there on the tag, but I don't think that is going to detract from the value of this. It's got a removable heavy duty faux fur lining. It's belted, got the nice buckles on it on the belt. I'll show you a picture of it up here because I did already photograph it. But like I said, it's in really good condition, and it is a tall, I think. I don't know if that will be good or bad for this, but trench coats almost always sell really well for me. So if I find a trench coat that's it's in good condition, I usually will pick it up. And this one, especially London Fog, is a great brand to pick up. Even this line being vintage too is great. So hopefully somebody is gonna love that. And lastly, I picked up this vintage men's overcoat. It is like in a camel color. Actually, the color is vicuna, which for a second I thought it was vicuna, which is an alpaca. If you find a vicuna jacket, those go for over $1,000. So this one is actually cashmere, 100% cashmere. There is the materials label. And the color is vicuna, but the fabric is 100% cashmere. And the label is Stefano Genovese, which from the research that I did, and it's made in Italy, but from the research that I did, it said something like Stefano is kind of like a generic label for some Italian makers, and there's different lines of Stefano items. Anyway, this I'm expecting probably about $300 for this. It's in really good condition. It does have like one tiny hole in the arm. You can see it right there, but it's lined so it doesn't like go through. And the other issue is it looks like the lining might be a little saggy, but I think that could be easily fixed also. I mean, just for the quality of it, it's Italian, it's 100% cashmere. So like I said, I paid like $250. I paid about $2.50 for it. So I would definitely pick it up again. So that is kind of a small haul for me today, but I'm just getting back into videos again after taking 3 months off for personal issues. My dad just died, so there was a lot of stuff going around with that. And so anyway, so I haven't really felt like making videos, and I'm just getting a little bit baby steps back in here with doing my social media back again. So I haven't stopped reselling, haven't stopped shopping, but I have stopped on the social media aspect. So if you like this video, please like and please subscribe. Hopefully I'll be getting some more videos out to you guys, and something maybe a little more substantial than this one was. I will see you guys later, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.